Hello, Diecast fans, and welcome back to the Growing Cars Show. Today, we're unboxing a very special Hot Wheels release, the Nissan Leaf Nismo RC02 JBC27, part of the 2025 HWEV series, number 168 out of 250 in 1/64 scale. Let's discover this electric beast in miniature form. This casting stands out with its neon green livery, sharp aerodynamic design, and racing stance. From the packaging to the details on the body, Hot Wheels has perfectly captured the futuristic vibe of Nissan's performance EV. Now let's talk about the real car. The Nissan Leaf Nismo RC02 isn't just a concept, it's an all-electric race car. It runs with two electric motors, delivering 326 horsepower and an astonishing 640 Nm of torque. Thanks to its lightweight design and advanced aerodynamics, it rockets from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.4 seconds, with a top speed of 250 km/h. Impressive numbers for an electric racer derived from the humble Leaf. This model showcases Nissan's vision of intelligent mobility and proves that electric cars can be just as thrilling as traditional combustion engines. That's it for today's unboxing of the Hot Wheels Nissan Leaf Nismo RC02. Stick around for more diecast passion, unboxings, 360-degree views, and of course, our dioramas. Don't miss out. Subscribe to our channel for daily diecast content, unboxings, 360-degree views, and dioramas every week. Non perderti I prossimi video. Iscriviti al canale per contenuti quotidiani su modellini in scala 1/64. Unboxing 360 degree e diorami ogni settimana.